The work Todd Crooks does every day stems from one specific day.
January 21st, 2016.
The day he lost his 21-year-old son, Chad, to suicide. Chad was battling schizophrenia.
He just lost hope because care was just stagnant. It was hit or miss. And he saw himself dealing with this for the rest of his life.
Todd and his wife, Laura, created Chad's Legacy Project to advocate for more effective resources in Washington. One resource they're advocating for is better use of mental health advance directives, forms people fill out to explain how they want to be treated in a mental health crisis. They were created in Washington 20 years ago.
Without these other bigger pieces, it was always left to be just some voluntary document that really never got used.
That's why he's part of a work group to create easy access to these documents, raise awareness of their existence, and train providers to help people fill them out.
It has to be something that a provider can just look up without having to fish for 30 minutes.
This year they had hoped to get the state to pass Senate Bill 5660, which would have created a formal state work group around this topic, but it did not happen.
We've got the people in place to get it done. It'll be a little harder, but we'll get it done.
Gail Kogel, who's with the Office of Behavioral Health Advocacy, is also a part of the group and says these documents are underutilized.
I would say it's less than 1% of the people that could use one know about them.
And they share important details that patients may not be able to express during a crisis.
For example, what kind of medications work, what kind of medications don't work, who can visit, who can't visit, who's already on my care team.
Now Todd says they're hoping to launch a pilot program for repository and provider training in 2 counties within the next 6 months, then expand statewide so people have resources and hope.
Not just fix a system, but build a new system that makes it so it's easier to get care. It's easier to see what recovery looks like in the end.
In Seattle, Connor Ward, King 5 News.